I'm going to make the ubiquitous pork roll, which I'm kind of famous for. This is what it looks like. This product was invented in 1856 by a guy named John Taylor. A little side note story that all my Jersey people understand. Some people in North Jersey still call this Taylor ham, but it's technically not. It's pork roll. And that actually happened in 1906 with the formation of the FDA, or the Pure Food and Drug Act of 1906,
right.
signed by Theodore Roosevelt. So it kind of took it away. But what I'm going to make today is I'm going to take that pork roll I showed you, and this is kind of what it looks like. It's finely ground pork shoulder that's sort of cured and bound together, if you will, inside this little sack. And then we slice it and we cook it. The thing I like to do with it, and I'm going to throw some on the grill, I like to really burn it. And I don't mean burn it, overcook it, but sear it a little bit. Because when you do that,
developing the natural sugars and the fat, yeah.
Exactly right. And a lot of times, we're in a rush in the morning, so I felt like the sandwich was getting undermined because people in the quest to get it out fast barely cooked it. So I have people that will come to me and go, I've had pork roll. It's not for me. I'm like, let me make it for you. And I make it for them, and they're like, their head corner explodes. So I also, it's about this roll. It's about this piece of bread. The bread is so important to a sandwich. I know a lot of people love bagels. I as well do. But in the context of my sandwich, I like a roll. And the reason I do is that it can accommodate the size of the sandwich I'm about to make.
That's right.
Because when you do the egg soft, you want to have some play in it. So if I jump over here, if you notice, since I pressed this, see how it's searing up? It really is. It's a very unique product. It's probably the oldest processed food in America, hands down. I don't think there's an older processed food. I'm also notorious for another thing that I sort of did that some people didn't like, but I only use white cheese. I really like white American cheese for my sandwich over the.
I love it. It's an easy melter and delicious.
Exactly right. It's creamy and
so perfect for breakfast sandwich.
Well, there's the little pork roll cooking, but here's the most important. Here's the true element of the sandwich. It's this thing, the huevo, the egg, the perfect food. I just like a really soft little egg.
Yes, you need it. It's the juice. Yes, it's the sauce.
It's the gravy. And I'm such a little pain in the neck. I like my yolk centered. So when I work here, I say to all of them, like, you got to center that yolk. Don't leave that yolk hanging out. Little salt and pepper on her. I'm also, do you like hot sauce? I'm sure you do.
Oh,
this is a really nice look. This is a really nice local hot sauce out of Asbury Park that I use. It's a Mazzi Portuguese-style vinegar-based hot sauce, like a piri-piri is what it's called. I'm sure you've heard of it, but phenomenal stuff. So I'm going to put a little of that on my sandwich. While that's cooking, the ubiquitous cheese. Now with the egg, honestly, there she goes, making her turn. I like the salt and pepper both sides. I don't know why. I just like a lot of flavor.
Too. I season every layer with flavor, baby.
So now I'm going to lay my little cheese on there. So here's my pretty little pork roll. As you can see, I don't know if this is coming out right, but the searingness on is what we want. And then I lay that little bit on there. Let that show for a minute. There's the foundation or the base. And then that egg goes right on top of there. And what I like is, I joke, but I can cook it either way. So it goes pork roll, cheese, egg, cheese, pork roll.
Man, you are like the boss. You are Springsteen with that paddle. You are Springsteen with the spatula.
All right, so here's our little pretty sandwich, but here's the money shot. You ready? What do I say in the store? I make sexy sandwiches. You ready? There she is.
Look at
I lost some of her.
Money.
But that's her. That's what a breakfast sandwich in Jersey to me looks like.